Dear students, how are you all? How is going your study? I hope your study is going on well. Now let us start the chapter 2. The well is born, the remaining part of the chapter 2. Let us start. Where did you get this amazing knowledge? I didn't. From there, when the gushing water the engineer saw, he said to the farmer in a shocked way, who would have thought a well could be found situated near a termite mound? He was surprised to saw the water was coming. He found the water. According to advice, he dig the well and he find the water near the termites hill. So that he was surprised. He was shocked and surprised to see that all when the gushing water. When he saw a running water from there, he was surprised. Who can think about he can find the water near a termite mound? Where did you get this amazing knowledge? I didn't realize you would be to be college. The old farmer smiled and said, amused, I don't blame you for feeling confused. Where did you get this amazing knowledge? Where did you find this astonishingly deep knowledge? I didn't think you. I thought you didn't go to the college anytime. And where did you find this great knowledge? How do you come to know about that? You can find the water near the termites hill. तुम्हें कैसे पता लगा? तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है तुम कभी कॉलेज नहीं गए हो. The old farmer smiled and said, amused. The old farmer gave a lovingly smile and said something in a polite way. I don't blame you for feeling confused. I don't blame you in a confusing condition. If you want to tips on how to find water, I'll tell you the verse in the Vrihit Samhita. This is the great Hindu Granth. I recommended this ancient treatise written by the Varaha Mihir the wise. If you want to know about how can I got this knowledge, how I came to know about we can find this water nearby the termites hill, so that if you want to tips on how to find water, if you want to take the tips of the deep knowledge and great knowledge, I'll give you some hint. I'll tell you the verse in the Vrihit Samhita. I will tell you that verse I find in a Vrihit Samhita is a Hindu's long and serious piece of writing on a particular subject. It's a जिसे हम कहें Vrihit Samhita एक ग्रंथ है. And I recommended this ancient treatise. And I find my great and deep knowledge from the treatise. It's a type of a granth जिसे हम कहें long and serious piece of writing on a particular subject written by the Varaha Mihir. Varaha Mihir, do you know about the Varaha Mihir? Is a great writer. Is the voice. It's all about the observing life. You know where insects live, how the trees grow. If to nature's clue we pay careful heed, the secrets of the earth are quite easy to read. It's all about the experience of the life. It's all about the observing life. You know where insects live. Do you know where the insects live? How the trees grow? If to nature's clue we pay careful heed, it's all about the nature's observation. We should use our experience of the life in a practical life. And the secrets of the earth quite easy to read. It's all the secrets of the earth is very easy to read when you observe the earth's nature keenly. जब आप अर्थ की, आप धरती की चीज़ों पर ध्यान से, प्यार से उन पर ध्यान देंगे, you can observe and take the deep knowledge from this. आप उसे observe कर सकते हैं और उनसे आप deep knowledge ले सकते हैं. The thankful engineer departed rich with knowledge. The farmer imparted. He resolved to take this learning and spread it far and wide across the land. The thankful engineer departed. The engineer became very polite and thankful to the farmer and depart the land. Rich with knowledge, the farmer imparted, and he was now feeling well to dig the well, and he was happy with his deep and great knowledge which is he find from the farmer imparted. He resolved to take his learning and spread it far and wide across the land. He resolved to take his learning and spread it far and wide across the land. He was very thankful to the farmer to give this deep knowledge, and he will resolve to take this learning and he will spread this all over the world. Which knowledge he find from the farmer? He resolved to take this learning. He was ready to learn it all and spread it all over the world, spread it far and wide. He will tell it all across the land completely. Whenever he will meet any person, he will give this deep knowledge to everyone. If I may a suggestion, bold, let us combine new science and old. Then this earth of ours will be truly blessed with the wisdom of East and West. If I make a suggestion, I just want to make a suggestion. I just want to give you advice, a very friendly advice. Let us combine the new science and old. Let us combine with the new technologies and the old knowledge. The combination of the new technologies and the old knowledge, then this earth of ours will be truly blessed. Then we can get the completely benefit of this knowledge and technologies. And this earth, then the earth of ours will be truly blessed. Then the earth will be blessed with our knowledge and technologies, with the wisdom of East and West. Means, just wanted the message of the poem is that we should apply the combination of the new technologies and the old deep knowledge. The combination of these two things really give us blessings or sweet fruit as a result of this knowledge. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.